Today we are going to tell you how to correctly apply the Trichoedge Advanced Hair Serum. Unlike others, this serum needs to be applied on your scalp for strengthening the hair roots and controlling hair fall. Take a small quantity of the serum on your palm and apply it with your fingers. Begin the application from the most affected area. For me, it's this part. Then start applying from the center of the scalp and glide your fingers down till the nape. Repeat the same process to the right hand side parting and then the left. Once the application is done, massage the entire scalp using your fingertips. Do not rub your fingers as that will damage your hair. Press your fingers onto the spot and move the scalp. The Derma Essentia Advanced Hair Serum is formulated with Noval Swiss Technology, and using this twice a day will reduce hair fall and result in fuller, nourished hair.